waste time or take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time or take this slow. We got miles behind.
Good morning. We are still at Toby's RV, the 1,000 Trails we were staying at, and Eric wants me to give my opinion of this campground. So this is me walking out the front door. There's very little space at these campsites. And last night we came back from the distillery and we have another camper here, and there's just no personal space here. And then this is a little annoying because there's so much junk out front. I mean, it's not pleasant to look at. But I guess overall, I mean, that we're just piled in here. But I'm gonna go up and show you some of the amenities because they're okay. But I just think we do have the membership, so the 1,000 Trails are free for us to stay here. And we got the membership because A&L RV gave it to us when we purchased the camper, which is, I think, is good because we were debating on buying it. And seeing my first 1,000 Trails campground, I'm not sure if I'll purchase it again. But we'll see. We're going to some others. I'll keep you posted. So let me get up here and I'll show you some of the amenities of this campground. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it is very close to a main highway. And we're at the very front part of the park, so you can hear the road all night. So these are the ladies' restrooms. The men's are being rebuilt right now. So right now, if you come here, the men have to use the porta potties. And they don't have showers up here. I think Eric showed you all the showers. They're in another building. But there's the men's restroom right now. We've not seen anybody working on it the whole time we've been here. Overall, most of the sites are very well maintained, cleaned up. You just get a few here and there that they've got all their construction stuff just laying out everywhere, and it just looks a mess. So it was really busy up there because these are the type of schedules they have. So there's something going on all day, almost every single day. Saturday and Sundays still have things, they're just not quite as busy. But today's Friday, so it was blood pressure checks and Friday coffee social. So, oh, and they're having a business meeting at 9, which is probably what most of them were up there for because it's 8:45.
Okay, yesterday while driving to Sarasota, Florida, we stopped by Campbell's RV and picked up some Max Air fan mate covers. So they come like this, and basically this bottom end right here will clip in, and these top ends snap in right there. So it goes like that. You end up with something like this. And let's see if I can't get on the inside there. And you can't see it, but anyways, they snap in. So obviously these are going to go facing towards the front. And with Brinkley has these little tabs right here, so you don't have to do any of that extra drilling or anything like that. So you put that on here, and you just put the pin in and you're done. That's all you do. Now, I tried putting this on first with the vent open, and the vent will hit this. And so I had to do some research, and on MaxxAir website, they say all these fan covers or vent covers are pretty much all the same height, and the fan itself has it will either open fully or till it hits an obstacle, or you know, till it will hit the top of this lid. So, which makes me kind of nervous because I don't want to, you know, strip the gears out on the motor when it opens or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll take a picture of where I read that at. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting these pins in, and then I'm gonna try it, and hopefully it doesn't strip any gears or anything. So Brinkley did a great thing for us, putting these quick snap things on, cotter pin deals, and so that'll keep rain from coming in. I can have the vent open while it's raining instead of it closing it and getting all stuffy inside. Alright, big moment. See if I strip the gears out on this thing or not. Go ahead, turn it on, Sarah.
We might have should have started with the bathroom one, because this one keeps the smoke alarm from going off when I cook. Here we go.
Okay, it stopped. I don't hear gears grinding or anything, so obviously what I read was true. So now it's time to put the other one on. Only problem I had putting it on is those pins go all the way through, and the back side of the vent cover, I had to push the pin pretty hard to get through the plastic piece because it wasn't quite cut good enough. But I got that worked out. So there we are. I would order them online. These are the actual Max vent covers themselves. I think I paid like 90 bucks a piece. I know I saw some aftermarket ones online for $43. So, but anyways, these work. Okay, I did realize putting the second one on is these clips that are down here. You can actually push them in once, and they actually have a couple clips where you can click once and then push it again harder, and it will click twice. The other part that I said was hard to go through, you can see the pin goes in through here, and this other end right here, it's not cleared out. You have to push really hard to get it to go through. So so now I'm gonna go back and check the other one, make sure I got it on tight. But here's the finished product. So that's what it looks like from up above. I mean, heck, I guess it doesn't go anywhere. They have clips on it, so that's the way they're designed. Oh, there we go. Thanks for watching. We are at a golf course.
Paradise Golf Course.
Paradise Golf Course.
In Arcadia, Florida.
In Arcadia, Florida. We left a day early. We left Encore RV Resort a day early, just to come here. No neighbors. Big, huge parking area. We came in that drive over here.
Live music tonight.
They got a golf tournament going on, so there's live music tonight.
And it's taco night.
Oh, and it's taco night. Oh, look at, we got plenty of room for. Oh, this is way better than having a neighbor with a sewer hose that leaks and cats meowing at night and
Dogs barking all night.
dogs barking. Very nice. I did have a door come open on the way over here. Luckily we were on some back roads, and so I was able to pull off and not, you know, cause anybody to, you know, there was like no traffic behind us. But this door right here came open, so I guess you really have to slam that one. Wouldn't have cared because it was only going like an inch or two. Then a semi went by and the thing flew open about a foot or so. And I was like, all right, yeah, I need to stop. I need to get that thing put in. So I slammed it shut and it worked fine. So on the way over here, since our batteries are full, I did go ahead and turn off the solar panels and no brake issues. So, oh, I should look up on top to make sure our fan, or you know, vent covers are let's take a look, shall we? Alright, they're both on. Okay, that worked. Oh hey, while we're up here, let's get a closer, better view of up here. Okay, we're gonna go enjoy the golf course and restaurant here. Talk to you guys later.
We're leaving this morning from the golf course. We thought they didn't open till 10, but the parking lot's full. So the best way out for us would have been to go up there, swing around all those cars, and we were expecting them to not be here this morning. So now we can't make that turn. So we have two options. Back it up and try to come in the way we came, or there's a little spot of grass right here that this part looked like somebody about got stuck, but there's a little section right here that we think we're gonna try to come through. It's a little soft, a little wet. We'll see. Eric's the captain on this. I don't drive the Brinkley, so I'm letting him make the decision. I'm here for moral support.
Four-wheel drive, just in case. Let me know if my front tire's in.
Okay. Looks good. Oh shoot. The camper sunk in. Crap. Okay, so that didn't go as planned. We redded it out a little bit, but we've stomped it back down. And the owner came by, he had a good laugh about it. And we said we stomped it down better than this. He told us that the guy that did that got stuck last week. So we apologized, but it was a great stay. Well, that was a short 30-minute drive, hour drive. How long have we been on the road?
I don't know.
Not very long.
40 minutes.
So we left the campground, or the Harvest Host, because they're having a tournament today, so we were afraid the parking lot would get really full. So we came down the interstate a little bit, and we're gonna hang out at a rest area for a while because we can't check in until 2 o'clock. So this rest area has a lot of stuff nearby, so it's not off of the interstate. We had to get off at an exit, so there's a lot of things we can walk around to.
Yeah,
so
we got till a couple hours here, so
let's go check things out.
check things out.